Welcome back to Apple Insider, where we break down the latest tech in the most exciting way. Today, we are diving deep into something truly futuristic, something that feels like it's arrived from tomorrow. This is the Vivo X200 Fe drone camera phone. Yes, you heard that right, a smartphone with a drone camera that lifts off from the device itself. This isn't just another flagship trying to be fast or flashy, this is a device redefining what a phone can do. In this review, we're going to take a keynote-style approach, going through each major area of the X200 Fe step by step, so you'll see why this phone could be the one that changes the way we think about mobile technology forever. Number 1. Design and build quality. The Vivo X200 Fe feels like it's designed with one purpose, to stand out in the crowd. From the moment you pick it up, you can tell it's not trying to follow trends but to set them. The phone has a polished metallic finish that feels premium in the hand, with an edge-to-edge glass front that curves subtly at the sides, giving it a sleek futuristic vibe. But the most striking element is hidden inside, the drone camera module that sits flush with the body until you need it. With a smooth mechanical eject system, the drone camera slides out and lifts like it's a natural extension of the phone. This isn't just cool to look at, it's practical too, with strong magnets and durable carbon fiber arms that ensure the drone feels sturdy when deployed. The phone itself is slim, despite the drone technology inside, and weighs only slightly more than most flagship phones, which is impressive considering what it packs in. Build quality is rock solid, and Vivo has used aerospace-grade materials to ensure durability without compromising on aesthetics. Holding this device feels less like holding a smartphone and more like holding a piece of technology ahead of its time. Number 2. The display. The Vivo X200 Fe comes with a stunning 6.9-inch AMOLED panel that pushes the limits of brightness, clarity, and color reproduction. It has a resolution sharp enough to make even the tiniest details look razor crisp, paired with a 144 Hz refresh rate that makes scrolling, gaming, and animations feel buttery smooth. HDR10 Plus support brings out lifelike colors whether you're watching videos, editing photos, or streaming your favorite content. But what makes this display stand out is its adaptive brightness system, which uses AI to adjust contrast and sharpness depending on the lighting environment. Outdoors under harsh sunlight, the screen remains visible and vibrant. Indoors, it tones down to protect your eyes. The edge-to-edge design eliminates distractions, and with nearly zero bezels, it feels like you're holding nothing but screen. For anyone who spends hours consuming content, gaming, or working, this display is not just good, it's one of the best experiences you can get on a smartphone right now. Number 3. Performance. The Vivo X200 Fe is powered by the latest generation flagship processor, backed up with up to 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and storage options that go up to 1 TB. This combination ensures that no matter what task you throw at it, from intensive multitasking to high-end gaming, the phone doesn't break a sweat. Apps load instantly, transitions are smooth, and background processes stay alive without slowdown. Gaming on this device is a joy, with graphics set to maximum on even the most demanding titles, and frame rates staying consistently high thanks to the cooling system built into the chassis. The performance also shines in creative tasks, editing high-resolution videos, working with raw images, or even using drone footage directly within editing apps is seamless. The AI engine inside the chip also makes tasks smarter, learning your usage patterns and optimizing performance where it matters most. In short, this phone doesn't just perform, it feels limitless. Number 4. The camera. This is where the Vivo X200 Fe becomes a game changer. The standard camera system already includes a triple lens setup with a 200-megapixel primary sensor, a wide-angle lens, and a telephoto zoom lens, all delivering incredible clarity and detail. But then comes the magic, the drone camera. At the push of a button, the camera module detaches from the phone and hovers using tiny propellers, controlled seamlessly through the phone's interface. This allows you to capture shots that no other phone can. Imagine taking group selfies without needing a tripod, shooting cinematic sweeping landscapes, or recording a video as the camera follows you from above, all without extra gear. The drone camera comes with advanced stabilization to keep footage smooth even in breezy conditions, and it streams live footage directly to the phone as you control it with simple gestures or on-screen controls. The possibilities are endless, from creative filmmaking to capturing everyday memories in ways you never thought possible. The Vivo X200 Fe doesn't just add another feature, it redefines mobile photography and videography altogether. Number 5. Battery life. With all these features, battery endurance is critical, and Vivo has delivered. The X200 Fe packs a massive 6000 mAh battery, optimized with intelligent power management to ensure all-day performance. Even with heavy use, gaming, streaming, drone recording, and constant multitasking, the phone comfortably lasts a full day and often stretches into 2 with lighter use. For charging, Vivo has included 120W fast wired charging, which takes the phone from 0 to 100% in under 25 minutes, as well as 80W wireless charging, which is still faster than most wired chargers in the market. The efficiency extends to the drone camera too, which draws power intelligently from the phone without draining it unexpectedly. This is a battery setup designed not just to keep up with you, but to make sure you never have to worry about running out of juice in the middle of something important. Number 6. Software and features. The Vivo X200 Fe runs on the latest FunTouch OS, layered over Android, with a clean interface that feels intuitive and modern. What stands out here is how well the software integrates with the drone camera. There's a dedicated control hub with live previews, smart tracking, and even AI-assisted cinematography tools that let you film like a pro. Beyond the drone, the software is packed with useful features, advanced multitasking windows, smart connectivity tools, and seamless integration with productivity apps. Security is also a big highlight, with an in-display ultrasonic fingerprint scanner and advanced face recognition. The phone also supports satellite connectivity for emergencies, making it reliable even in remote locations. Vivo has polished the software experience to match the futuristic hardware, and it shows in everyday use. Number 7. Value for money. The Vivo X200 Fe sits in the ultra-premium flagship category, and while it comes with a price tag that reflects its groundbreaking technology, the value it offers is unmatched. If you're someone who wants more than just another phone upgrade, if you're looking for innovation that genuinely changes what you can do, then this phone delivers. The drone camera alone makes it stand apart from every other device on the market, but combined with its display, performance, battery, and software, you're looking at a complete package that offers far more than its rivals. It's not just a phone, it's a statement, and for those who want to be on the cutting edge, it's worth every penny. In conclusion, the Vivo X200 Fe is not just another flagship smartphone. It's the future of mobile technology packed into a device you can slip into your pocket. From its stunning design and world-class display, to its powerhouse performance and groundbreaking drone camera system, it represents a leap forward unlike anything we've seen before. The battery keeps you going, the software ties everything together beautifully, and the overall value makes it a serious contender for anyone who wants the very best. This is more than a phone, it's an idea brought to life, a promise of what technology can do when imagination meets engineering. The Vivo X200 Fe doesn't just ask you to upgrade your device, it invites you to upgrade your entire experience. And here at AppleInsider, we can confidently say, this is one of the boldest and most exciting smartphones ever released.